Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, a groundbreaking hybrid supercar that redefines performance, design, and technology. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this remarkable vehicle, from its innovative hybrid powertrain to its luxurious interior, and assess how it stands in the competitive landscape of modern supercars. Introduction to the Lamborghini Revuelto. As Lamborghini approaches its 60th anniversary, the marque has unveiled the Revuelto, marking its entry into the era of electrified supercars. This high-performance electrified vehicle, PEF, seamlessly blends Lamborghini's iconic V12 engine with cutting-edge hybrid technology, setting a new benchmark in the automotive world. Design and aerodynamics. The Revuelto's design is a harmonious fusion of Lamborghini's heritage and futuristic aesthetics. Its aggressive stance, characterized by sharp lines and aerodynamic contours, not only captivates the eye but also enhances performance. The wide, low-profile body and signature Y-shaped headlights pay homage to Lamborghini's design DNA while incorporating modern elements that improve airflow and stability at high speeds. Powertrain and performance. At the heart of the Revuelto lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an astounding 814 horsepower at 9,250 revolutions per minute and 725 newton-meters of torque at 6,750 revolutions per minute. Complementing this powerhouse are three electric motors, bringing the total output to an impressive 1,001 horsepower. This hybrid setup enables the Revuelto to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 217 miles per hour. The integration of electric motors not only boosts performance but also allows for electric-only driving modes, enhancing efficiency and reducing emissions. Chassis and handling. The Revuelto features a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, contributing to a dry weight of approximately 3,900 pounds. This lightweight structure, combined with an advanced all-wheel drive system and rear-wheel steering, ensures exceptional handling and agility. The suspension system has been meticulously tuned to provide a balance between track-ready stiffness and road-going comfort, making the Revuelto versatile across various driving conditions. Interior and technology. Inside, the Revuelto offers a driver-centric cockpit adorned with premium materials such as leather and Alcantara. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, allowing drivers to tailor information to their preferences. A state-of-the-art infotainment system supports connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring occupants remain connected. Additionally, advanced driver assistance systems enhance safety without compromising the driving experience. Environmental considerations. As Lamborghini's first hybrid supercar, the Revuelto represents a significant step towards sustainability. The hybrid powertrain reduces fuel consumption and CO2 emissions compared to traditional V12 models, aligning with global efforts to mitigate environmental impact. However, it's important to note that, while the Revuelto offers improved efficiency, its primary focus remains on delivering exhilarating performance. Market positioning and competitors. Positioned at the pinnacle of Lamborghini's lineup, the Revuelto competes with other hybrid and electric hypercars such as the Ferrari SF90 Stradale and McLaren Artura. Priced around $609,000, the Revuelto offers a unique blend of traditional Lamborghini characteristics with modern hybrid technology, appealing to enthusiasts seeking performance without compromising on innovation. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the Revuelto delivers an unparalleled driving experience. The instantaneous torque from the electric motors, combined with the high-revving V12, provides a seamless surge of power. The steering is precise, offering excellent feedback, while the braking system, enhanced by regenerative capabilities, ensures confident stopping power. Whether navigating city streets or attacking a racetrack, the Revuelto adapts effortlessly, showcasing Lamborghini's commitment to driving pleasure. Conclusion: the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto signifies a bold leap into the future for the iconic Italian marque. By integrating hybrid technology with traditional V12 performance, Lamborghini has crafted a supercar that honors its legacy while embracing modern advancements. The Revuelto not only meets the demands of contemporary performance enthusiasts but also sets a new standard for what a hybrid supercar can achieve. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through the Lamborghini Revuelto. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and insights into the world of high-performance automobiles. The backside of the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto is a masterpiece of aerodynamics, aggression, and high-performance engineering. It perfectly blends Lamborghini's signature sharp, angular styling with modern hybrid technology, ensuring both form and function serve a purpose. At first glance, the rear of the Revuelto commands attention with its large Y-shaped LED taillights, a signature Lamborghini design element that adds a futuristic touch. The exposed engine bay proudly displays the naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12, reminding enthusiasts of Lamborghini's legacy while integrating hybrid elements seamlessly. A lightweight yet strong carbon fiber diffuser enhances downforce, keeping the car stable at high speeds. A striking feature at the back is the dual hexagonal exhaust setup, positioned high up near the center. These massive exhaust tips produce an exhilarating, high-pitched V12 roar, amplified by the hybrid system's instant torque. Above the exhaust, an active rear wing automatically adjusts based on speed and driving conditions, improving aerodynamics and performance. The wide rear stance, sculpted air vents, and aggressive lines not only create an imposing look but also serve an essential role in cooling and airflow management. The rear bumper is designed to channel air efficiently, reducing drag while maximizing stability. Lamborghini has truly engineered the backside of the Revuelto for both aesthetics and performance. Whether parked or at full throttle on a track, the rear of the Lamborghini Revuelto is an unmistakable statement of power, speed, and innovation, perfectly representing the future of Lamborghini's electrified supercars. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.